I was really stoked to be working with my man Wayne Reck and Paint by Bondo, Andrew Babish, on this bike. I think they really killed it. They kind of took a little CVO feel of it and did their spin on it. I had only color choices involved in this, and they stylized it really cool. The logos turned out super dope. The colors look super dope. The gray is very muted. The black has flake in it. The iridescent red. The colors do really go good with the corporate colors of Rockford Fosgate and kind of what Harley's doing right now for their CVO line. I hoped you liked seeing this bike come together. V-Twin Visionary's vision of this bike, helped by Motorwitch at the Collective and all the great companies involved as well. We'll see you in Daytona Beach, and you'll see this thing at every single bike show and car show probably for the next couple of years. Walk up, listen to this amazing stereo system, and check out the custom job we did on it. That's all.